Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix content not installed purchase to play error in Battlefield 6 on PC.
Fix 1. Check game ownership. Step 1. Open Steam library, right-click Battlefield 6 Properties, DLC. Step 2. Make sure all purchased DLC content is installed. Step 3. If missing, install the required content, launch the game. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Steam library, right-click Battlefield 6 Properties, local files. Step 2. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for Steam to finish. Launch the game. Fix 3. Restart Steam and PC. Step 1. Exit Steam completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Open Steam. Launch Battlefield 6. Fix 4. Reinstall missing content. Step 1. Open Steam library. Battlefield 6 Manage DLC. Step 2. Reinstall any missing content or packs. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 5. Check EA Origin account. Step 1. Make sure Battlefield 6 is linked to your EA account. Step 2. Log into EA Origin. Confirm ownership. Step 3. Launch the game via Steam. Fix 6. Contact support. Step 1. If error persists, go to EA Help. Steam support. Step 2. Submit a ticket with proof of purchase. Step 3. Follow instructions from support to resolve.